One of the hidden treasures in the tool is the resource library. It contains a variety of documents, standards, white papers, and other guides to help you secure your systems. To access the resource library, click on the button in the upper right corner of the main window. The document tree allows you to find information by type and by topic. The Expand Arrow button in the upper left corner allows you to expand the tree to show all the documents at the lowest level. The Collapse arrow does the opposite and will collapse the tree after you have been using it. The tree is divided into two main sections. The first type is made up of the topics Guidance, Reports, Templates, and Standards. These are main topics for a collection of subtopics, and finally the reference documents. Let's open a couple of the topics to expand the tree. We'll open the first topic on Guidance. You can see that there is a variety of subtopics and in some cases even more topics under those. Opening up the first subtopic, Control System Security, we see several documents and another topic called Testing. When we click on a document, the file itself is opened in the display window on the right. You can export and save this file to a local directory if you wish. We can use the tree to find items related to a specific topic. Let's say we are interested in standards and want to see what standards are associated with the nuclear sector. We open the standards topic and then notice the nuclear reactors subtopic. Opening this reveals the Nuclear Regulatory Commission's Regulatory Guide 5.71. By clicking on the document, we open it in the display window to the right. When a file has been selected, the tool displays several pieces of information in addition to the document itself. The bolded first line is the title of the document. The second is a shortened name or acronym, if there is one. The last block of text provides a short abstract or overview of what is in the document. To the right of the abstract is the Create or Export button. This button will save the file to a directory on your local machine or network. Let's go back to the tree structure. The bottom two headings are specific to the procurement language and the DHS Catalog of Recommendations documents. These are two of the most downloaded documents from the program and have been expanded into subjects by themselves. Opening the Cybersecurity Procurement Language heading exposes a number of subheadings. Each can be opened to show the lowest level topics. We'll choose the first subheading called System Hardening and the topic Removal of Unnecessary Services and Programs. You will notice a number of sections under this topic. The document provides a basis for the language and language guidance, the actual procurement language that you can copy and paste, factory acceptance test measures, site assurance test measures, maintenance guidance, dependencies, and references. These sections are available under each heading. We will now look at the Catalog of Recommendations. This document was originally designed for standards developers and includes requirements and controls for industrial control systems taken from a collection of major information and control system standards. It is organized in sections including an overview, the requirement, any supplemental guidance and requirement enhancements, if any. The final section includes references to other standards or documents. We have been focusing on the document tree. Now we will go to the Search tab. The process is pretty simple. Enter a string, and the tool will try to return a list of documents that relate to the string. You can enter an exact word or phrase, or you can use wildcard characters. If you include the asterisk after the initial characters, then it will include topics that begin with those characters. For example, PROC with an asterisk will return documents with either procedure or process. You can also use the double question marks to replace the specific characters. Let's give it a try. We will enter the word incident in the search box and press the Enter key on the keyboard. You will notice that the system returns entries in the following format. The title is shown as a hyperlink. The source is shown below the title. Possible sources include resource library documents, catalog of recommendations entries, or procurement language entries. The final block is the overview or abstract describing what is contained in the document. We'll open the first couple of entries. The first is a template from the Department of Health and Human Services, and the second is a recommended practice on incident response from DHS. The last feature we will highlight in this video is the Filter Search Results button. When you click the link, it will open 3 checkboxes. These allow you to select only certain types of information. After you have clicked the checkboxes, you must then run the search again with the new filter enabled. For example, if you only check the Catalog of Recommendations option, then only requirements and controls related to the search string will be displayed as shown here. Likewise, if you only checked procurement language topics, for example, the topics displayed would only be found in the procurement language document. We'll type in router and see what is found in the procurement language document. We'll look at the options presented. The network devices topic is just what we are after. The resource library provides invaluable information to help you understand requirements, develop security plans, purchase secure products, and understand how to protect your information and control systems. This concludes the resource library tutorial.